Hello and welcome to the Marble Corner. A quick disclaimer, I'm not a native English speaker, but without further ado, let's get on to the video. So today we're going to take a look at the Cuboro standard marble run. This is one of two basic sets of the Cuboro line. There's also the Cuboro basic set. The Cuboro standard set retails for about 230 euros and it contains 54 wooden elements that can be combined with one another to create a marble run, for example the one that is seen on the box. Now let's open this one up. I've went ahead and opened the box. This is not a completely new set, so the layout might be a bit different than what you get in the mail. I thought it would be fun to start with a marble run first, and then we are going to have a look at the different parts. As you can see, I built a small track. There are still a lot of elements left that I didn't use for this track, but now let's do a test run. As you can see, it ran perfectly. This is everything you get with the standard set. It's a total of 54 cubes and 5 marbles. Now let's have a look at them separately. This is one of the 23 main building blocks that you get. You can see that it has no paths going through. You can use this to create height in your marble run, just like this. You get 3 full drop entrances. The marble goes in at the top and goes all the way down, just like this. Then you also have the half drop entrances. You get 6 of these. The marble goes in at the top and comes out halfway. You also get one crossing. There's a cross on the top and a path going straight through. You get 10 blocks with a straight way on the top. But they have in total 4 different functions. Let's have a look at the first. You have a marble that goes in this way and comes out at the bottom. You have the same block but on the other side. So as you can see, the marble enters on the different sides. Then you have this block, which just got a straight path on top and a straight path in the middle. Then you have a block that has a straight path on top, in the middle, and a track going underneath in the different direction. This is also the only block in the standard set that has paths on the 3 different heights of the block. You get 10 blocks with a corner on the top. In total, they have 4 different functions. Let's have a look at the first. You get a corner on the top and a straight one going through the middle. This one has a straight one going through the middle as well, but as you can see, the corner goes in a different way. Then you get a corner on the bottom and a path going down. Again, this one has also the path going down, but the corner turns a different way. Last but not least, you have a marble cup and 5 different marbles. The marbles themselves are really pretty. You have a red one, a blue one, a yellow one, a green one, and a marble that hasn't got a color. They look really stunning going through the tracks. Now that you've seen all the different parts, we are going to build some tracks so that you can see what you can do with the standard Cuboro set. for some close-up shots. I still got a lot of blocks left, so now I'm going to try to make the biggest track I can with the standard set. But let's have a final look at this marble run. I only got one block left, so I think it's safe to say that this is one of the biggest marble runs you can build with the standard set. Now, let's see if it works. Now, let's try having 6 marbles going through it at once. Whoops! Looks like we got into some trouble with the crossing here. That's something to really take into consideration whether you want to use this piece or not. But as you can see, if the marbles would all start here, right after each other, the track runs without any problems. Now on to the final thoughts. Is it worth it? I would say yes, because you get a lot of different blocks, you get a lot of different possibilities, and even with quite a, let me say, small set of 54 cubes, you can see that I've built quite a variety of tracks, and really there are still a lot of possibilities left. For example, the track that is on the box can also be built just with this set. And there's also a booklet contained in this set that shows you exactly how the track works and how to build it. One disadvantage of the Cuboro marble runs, I would say that it is the price, but then again, it's really qualitative and you get a lot of possibilities for your money. An advantage is that you can also buy different sets that truly expand the possibilities, give you completely new functions, and you can build even bigger, cooler and longer tracks. So if you got any questions about this marble run, please leave them in the comments. If you have any other thing you want to see me make a video about, please leave it in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope that I'll be able to make some other videos for you in the future. Goodbye.